Sinotruk tractor NX cabin, brand new cabin, remanufactured quality level. This engine, remanufactured engine, inside, outside, almost all new parts. Silencer, brand new. Air reservoir, battery, and gearbox. The gearbox is also remanufactured. Also has a guarantee. The inside the pneumatic system and all the wiring are new. This is new tires, new rim. 12R22.5. The cover is a mud guide, is brand new and new design. The V-thrust rod, new, brand new. Everything new, refurbished, remanufactured quality level. Even the U-boat and the fuel tank, original, new. Let's check this 600 liter. The other side of the engine. Let's check inside the cabin. Inside the cabin, okay, the steps are new. Inside the cabin are brand new. There's nothing to see. New floor, new roof, new seat, new dash, everything new, even the harness inside, the fuse board. This is a remanufactured Sinotruk Hobo.